Want to save all the hard work you put into your dashboards when the underlying data sources change? In Stories, you can replace an existing model with a new model and map its dimensions and measures to the elements in your story widgets. If you change the data source for an individual widget, the settings you've already chosen are automatically reset, meaning you need to define them again. If you want to retain these settings, you can instead use the Add Data option to replace one model with another, which then updates all widgets based on that data source. Keep in mind that there are restrictions on the types of models that can be used as a new data source. Refer to the links in the description for details. This example replaces one measure-based model with another. However, the system also supports updating from a classic account-based model with a model based on the new model type with both an account dimension and measures. Based on similar names, accounts, measures, and dimensions are mapped for any elements from the original that are used in widgets. If any items aren't mapped automatically or a mapping is incorrect, you can click and drag the correct object from the panel on the left. Any differences between the original version and the current version of a measure or dimension are flagged. When all the accounts, measures, and dimensions are mapped, you can review any warnings. You're informed here of any changes that will be reflected in widgets that are already displayed in your story. If any manual changes are required to complete the replacement process, those instructions are listed here. Once you understand the impacts to your story, you can finalize replacing the model. The widgets in the story update to reflect the change. In this example, no manual changes are required. When you save your changes, you can remove the original model. For more information on replacing models in stories, check out the links in the description and try it for yourself today.